Hello YouTubers, millionaires, multi-millionaires, sorry. I just want to shoot a quick video to let you guys know that the launch for LCS2 is going to be on the 28th. So the link's going to be in the description. I want you guys to check this out. It's an incredible training. It's going to teach you how to outsource. It's called Lead Conversion Squared. This is the second version. There was LCS1 and now they're doing the LCS2. It's a better, improved program, and I want you guys to take advantage of this free training. The link's going to be in the description. Hop on that, get your name in there, and I don't want you to miss out on something incredible and powerful. Daven and Chad has put a really powerful program, and it's going to guarantee conversion, because what they do, they use a different strategy than everybody else does. They utilize a lot of look how beautiful the sky is. You probably can't catch it in the camera, but the cloud over there. Anyway, what these guys did, they put emphasize on outsourcing and virtual assistants. This way you don't have to do all the work yourself. It's really, really powerful program. I want you guys to check it out. Daven and Chad has put this program together. And also, by the way, they have combined experience between the two of them, almost 50 years. They've been doing it for a very, very long time, so they're knowledgeable in that. They have a lot of expertise in that area. And they're also backed up by a lot of big names. Click the link in the description. You'll be very surprised how much energy and effort was put into designing this program and putting it together. And it's inexpensive, and you can make money with it right away. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much. If you're part of my channel, I want to thank you so much. I'm here because of you, and I'm here for you. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, tick that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos, because I try to publish as often as possible. And it's always about affiliate marketing. If you're looking to make money online and basically ditch the 9 to 5, you came to the right place. This is the right channel. Subscribe, like, tick the notification bell, and if you have any comments, leave them below. And last but not least, most important thing, make sure you click the link in the description so you can check out the LCS2 program, Lead Conversion Squared. It's very incredible, very powerful, and it's going to guarantee you to make money almost immediately. Thanks a lot, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Best of luck. Bye-bye.